Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Kami app to annotate a PDF and then submit it back to Google Classroom. So I am in an assignment that has a PDF attached that you need to annotate, so you would simply open that PDF. You may have this open with option to simply annotate with Kami, in which case you can click on that and it will open the document automatically into the Kami app where you will have all of the annotation tools. Alternately, if you do not have that option, then you can click over on the stacked menu on the right and open in a new window. Once you open a new window, you'll have the option to download. So you would download a copy of that document onto your device. And then go to kamiapp.com and sign in. If you are using your Google account, it should just log you in from your Google account. If not, you can create an account. It is a free account. You don't have to pay for anything. Once you are logged in, you can open from your Google Drive, open from your computer, or start a new blank page. Since I have just downloaded it to my device, I'm going to open from my computer, and it's going to show up right there at the top of my list. And then I will have all the same tools that we saw before. In the app, once you're in here, you will use markup tools. You have the text highlighter, which will highlight anything that you select. You have the choice of 9 different colors, so you can color code. You also have the box highlighter, with which you can highlight an entire chunk of the text. You probably won't use that very often, but there it is if you should want to. You can also strike through. Again, not sure why you would use this a whole lot for our activities, but you could draw a line through something. You can also underline something, and all of these tools are available with the 9 different colors, so you can do color coding in your annotations. You can also include a comment. If you click on the page anywhere, it's going to put that little dot for you, and then you can type your comment into the box. You can also include a text box. Anywhere on the page, you just click and type into the box. You can adjust the font size. You can also adjust the color of the text however you would like, and you have all the same color options there. You can also draw. You can change the thickness of the stroke. You have all the same color options. You can paste shapes into the document, and you can erase anything that you've done simply by clicking on each of those items. So once you have finished annotating, then all you have to do to get this saved so you can upload it to your Google Classroom assignment is click on the little save icon, and this one has automatically saved to my Google Drive where I have saved it from. You can upload directly to your Google Drive through here, and you may also sometimes see at the top a Save to Google Drive option. It just depends on how you've logged in. If you have clicked on the link directly from Google Classroom, you'll have that option to save it directly to your drive. Otherwise, you'll probably want to use this Google Drive upload button, and it will just save it directly into your Google Drive, so that when you go back into Google Classroom and you will have your add and create options, you can add the file directly from your Google Drive and submit it that way. If you have any questions, always email or post questions in Google Classroom.